Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Commerce with Namita. In today's session, let us study Introduction of Business Communication. So let's start. Communication is an essential part of life. It is a necessary activity of transferring ideas, feelings, emotions, and information from one person to another person. So it is an important part of your life. Without communication, you cannot survive or you cannot live. Second, the word communication is derived from two Latin words. First is communis, which means common. Second, communicare, which means to impart. To impart means to make the information known to other, to participate, to share the information with others and make the information common. Next, let us see meaning and definition of communication. Communication is a process of passing information and understanding from one person to another. It is an exchange of facts, ideas, opinion by two or more persons. I.A. Richard defines communication as communication is the exchange of meanings between individuals through a common system of symbols. Peter Little defines communication, the process by which information is transmitted between individual and or organization so that an understanding response results. Communication does not simply involve sending a message by one person, but it also involves the receiver listening to it, understanding it and responding to it and acting according to it. Okay. So in communication process or in communication, two people are important. One is sender and the listener or the receiver. Now let us see what is business communication. Now often communication made among person to convey their personal information, message or thoughts from they are personal communication. But exchange of information, facts, ideas relating to the business may be termed as business communication. So in short, business communication refers to the communication relating to the business activity, which means providing goods and services to the consumer with a view to earn profit. It is the process through which information, facts, ideas, orders, advices or decision, etc. are conveyed, sent, exchanged between the person associated with the business. So it is a process of sharing information between employees within and outside a company. So this is business communication. So communication which is related to the business, that is called business communication. Let us see features of communication. First, it is a two-way process. Communication is a two-way process. In this process, one person is the sender and the sender transmits a message to another person. That person is the receiver. So it is a systematic and a continuous process. Second, interactive process. Communication is an interactive process among the people where the facts, opinions, emotions and informations are transferred from one person to another person. Third, exchange of views and information. Communication relates exchange or transfer of facts, views, ideas, information, opinion from one person to another person. Fourth, social process. It is a social process. It helps in building understanding between families, friends, relatives and in all social circles. Fifth, specific subject matter. Communication relates to a specific point of talking, emotions and information which is related to a particular subject. Last, it is a continuous process. Communication is a continuous process because in any workplace, someone will be conveying the message or and other person is going to receive the message. So it is a continuous process. So these are the features of communication. I hope you have understood the meaning, definition and features of communication. So thank you very much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share the video.